Okay, so the palette we're using today is the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I have been wanting this palette for a long time since it came out. And I finally went to Ulta and we finally had it back in stock. So I got it. And it's okay. It's not like something I'm going to reach for, but it's something when I want to do something like this. Or if I'm just doing a quick makeup look, I would reach for this palette. Other than that, probably won't. Okay. But it worked for what it needed to do. Okay. So the first color we're going to go into is Agent. And I don't know what type of color it is. I know. Oh, and if I seem a little all over the place, it's because I am. Okay. I woke up at 7. Got started on my makeup 9:30. I was going to sit down and film. Okay. Without doing one eye first, I was just go, just go through it. No, I can't do that. I haven't said that before. I keep telling myself that, but I'm trying to make my filming process shorter. And that just doesn't work for me. Like, I have to do one eye. I have to, so I don't, I'm not going to know what to do. So I have wiped my eye off 3 times today. And I did all that just to end up with a brown eye. Yeah. That's how my day went. Okay. So, let's get started, okay? Okay, so next 2 colors I'm going to go into is called Secure, and then the second one is called Smooth Criminal. I'm going to take those 2 and mix them together. Like, I was really frustrated today. Like, I did an orange look, I did a purple look, tried to do orange and purple, tried to do an all purple eye. None of that worked out today. So I'm like, you know what? Screw it. Let me just try to do something simple, and of course they wanted to work out. Ooh, so throw all my makeup away. Just throw it away. Okay. So I'm going to take Secure first. And it's like a cinnamon color. That's what it looks like to me anyway. And I'm going to mix that in with Smooth Criminal, which is a brown. I'm surprised my makeup is even still intact. It's been probably almost 8 hours. But I was determined to film today because I said I was going to stay consistent. That is my goal for this year. That's at the top of my list, to stay consistent. And that's what I'm going to do, okay? Even if it takes me all freaking day, I want to be consistent with my videos. Okay, and lastly for the crease, I'm going to go into Proud. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my crease with this PLouise Running Base in number 2. And I usually just use this as an eye primer, but I decided to cut my crease with it today. Yeah, it's okay. I don't see a big difference. Okay, so I'm gonna let my lid get tacky a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the Inglot number 94 and put it on top, and then put the shimmer on top of it. I have figured out, well, I saw other people before. With this Inglot, to make your shimmers pop more, if you want to, take an extra step. Take this Inglot 94, put it on top, then put your shimmer in. It's gonna look a little bit more better. Yeah. Okay, so the shimmer I'm putting on my lid is from the Bperfect Cosmetics palette, and it's called Hustle. It's basically like a bronzy green color. And I would have used the one out of the Jaclyn palette, but I didn't like it. Like, I swatched it and it was very light. I was like, where's the pigment? Where's the pigmentation? Okay, so how can I explain this? Okay, it's basically the inner part of edge of my eye. I want to take that, and I'm going to use the JLarue pigment and white gold. I'm going to use the Nyx Mixing Medium for adhesive to put it down. So like you see over here, it's going to start from here, and it's like a glitter liner, but I'm putting it on top of my lid actually, instead of in the crease. Okay, so I went ahead and did my under eye, did my inner corner, and popped on my lashes. And let's see, for my under eye, the only thing I did was reverse method as usual. Inner corner, I just took any shimmery champagne color I had, popped on my inner corner. Lashes I have on is Ride or Die and Sassy. I don't sell Sassy anymore, but I do still sell Ride or Die. And I'm having a 25% off sale the entire month on everything on my entire site. Lashes, jars, glasses, get your makeup done, all that 25% off for the whole month of February. Okay, so go get you some lashes. Alright, let's sign up for a makeup class, you know, need some more help. Okay, I got you. Okay, but yeah, that's about it. So I'm about to bronze and highlight. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm almost done because I feel the longest sleep ever.
You should've called me. Why you never called me?
And I'm just taking Juvia's Place Heroine highlighter. And I have Heroine Glow 1.
You should've called me. Why you never called me? Why you never called me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never called me? Why you never called me? Oh.
Okay, so I'm taking a Tart Duo lipstick. This one is in Life, so it's a lipstick on one and a lip gloss on the other. This is gonna go on top. And then I'm gonna take Tart Cosmetics and Quicksand. Oh, I've been calling this Sandstorm all this time in my Instagram. Oops. Okay.